Check out my outfit. Check out my outfit. The Well Jamaica Media Internship Graduation ceremony just ended. The theme was survival of the fittest, and I am dressed by Alyssa Chalayne design. Look here, I just did have to show you guys my outfit. What I really love about this designer, whenever she is well, whatever vision that you have, she brings it to life. So all I did was to tell her the theme of the graduation, and she made this statement piece. Like, you're not gonna get it any better than this, right? I guess I'm just not so confident because you actually can wear it without a bra and so, you understand? But I'm a breastfeeding mom, so you know, yeah, yeah, we don't want to have them hanging. So it just ended. Of course, it's a virtual event, so that's why you're going to see me in my house. Is it, well, not my house, but you know, I'm in a house. But yeah, I really, really, really love it. It's velvet, it's soft, it's nice, and you can get one custom made. Alyssa Chalayne Designs on Instagram and Facebook.